Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows 11, 10 laptop have only C drive, how to create ENF. Open File Explorer, only show C drive. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click C drive, click Shrink Volume. Reduce the amount of space to shrink to increase C drive. Right-click unallocated space, click New Simple Volume. If you want to create 2 drive, reduce the size to half. Right-click unallocated space, click New Simple Volume. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.